So right now what we are going to do, in order to start our rug, we need to learn a little technique. I don't know, let's call it the slit technique. Basically, I am here with my 2 strips of an old bed sheet, and I've cut them. They're about 1 inch, I guess, wide up here. But important thing is, see this little hole I've created just with my scissors, just by folding it over like so, and just cutting. I've done that to both of my pieces, and I've done that to the bottoms too. Here's the bottom of this one. So you're just going to cut a little hole. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just the point of it is to attach 2 pieces. So we need to learn this technique to get the whole thing started from the very beginning. And then, if you can imagine us, we've made our little rug. It's, you know, started to look like something, and then we're going to run out of bed sheet right now. We're going to get to the end, and then we're going to have to secure another new piece on. So I've got my slits. Now what we're going to do is just pick one of them and bring it up through the hole like so, and then take the tail end of the one you've just brought up. So these are part of the same strip, and then bring it up also through the tail end. So then you just kind of yank on it. It doesn't have to be very exact. The whole point of it is just to get it to pull pretty hard to start like a really small knot, and that in the rug will just totally disappear. So we've done it. That might take a couple of times. I remember when I was learning just how to do that, I would sometimes screw it up, but now we've got a little tiny knot, and I'm just going to poke this through and attach it to my quilt here. And we only really use a safety pin when you're really just starting your rug from nothing. So now I've got it attached with a little knot, and now we're ready to start our system. But it does seem unimportant, but it is really handy to have that slit technique. So all your little strips are going to have little cuts on the ends. So that's about it for setting it up. Now we're ready to make a rug.